Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting access to the Castor. This is practical and fast. Remove nearby obstacles, then support the item so you can work safely. Use a jack or tilt it against a stable surface. Once done, inspect the wheel to identify fastener type: rivet, bolt, threaded stem, or snap ring. Make sure to keep tools close. You do this because choosing the right tool prevents damage and saves time. Now, reach for the tool that matches the fastener and prepare to loosen. You now remove the fastener. Patience matters. First, apply penetrating oil to any corroded parts and wait a few minutes to ease removal. Then, hold the axle steady and turn the bolt or nut counterclockwise. If the stem is threaded, back it out while supporting the wheel. For rivets, drill the head center and punch out the shank. For snap rings, squeeze and lift them off. Keep parts organized as you work, because reassembly requires the same order and orientation. You finish by inspecting and reassembling carefully. Check bearings, raceways, and stem for wear. Replace any damaged components rather than forcing reuse. Once new or cleaned parts are ready, lightly grease moving surfaces, align the wheel and insert the fastener, tighten to a snug fit or manufacturer torque. After reassembly, lower the item and test roll and swivel under load. If binding or wobble appears, make sure the fastener is correct and not over-tightened. This troubleshooting prevents premature failure and keeps things smooth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.